Hello and welcome to Digital Phone Company Repair Centre. Today we're going to show you how to repair the Digitizer on a Nokia Lumia 520. The tools required is a T4 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a plastic opening tool, and we also have our genuine replacement Nokia Lumia 520 Digitizer. So first of all we're going to just check the screen. As you can see, the screen lights up but unresponsive. So we need to obviously replace the digitizer. The back just lifts off and then we'll remove the battery from there. Next step is we've got 8 screws that need removing, top 2, and then as we go down the phone at the bottom. So we will remove those now. You'll also see I've got a magnetic mat to help keep all the screws together. So obviously if you haven't done already, then remember to remove the SIM card and the memory card from the just on the left hand side here. Okay, once these screws are out, then we're just going to use our plastic opening tool just to lever in down the sides, and it should then separate from the sides there. As you go round, just lever it open gently, and the clips will then come off one at a time. Okay, so once that's clips are taken off, back will just lift off. We'll put that to one side. And there you have the internals of the phone. So we've just got our plastic spudger. There's 2 connectors that need to be removed. First one at the top here just lifts off from the corner, and then also down the bottom it just lifts up and just move out of the way. We now need to remove the main board, which is held on by 2 clips, one at the top right hand corner and then one down the bottom left. So as we lift, we just lift away from those clips and it'll just lift out on its own. Again, put to one side. We're now in a position where we can remove the LCD and take off the digitizer. So again, our plastic opening tool, we then need to just open up around the edge, and it will then separate as you go round. Separate one side and it will then lift out, and there you have it. The LCD is removed and you've got your digitizer. We'll then take our new digitizer. One thing to remember is that if you get the genuine digitizer, on the inside there will be a plastic film which just needs to be removed, and then again as it came out, just remove any dust, but obviously just lay it back in to the frame, and again gently just push down just so it clips back into place. Once that's back into place, we can then again place our main board back in, remembering the clips at the bottom left and top right of the device, and they should just clip down and we'll hold it in place. Once that's done, we can then obviously connect up again our LCD and digitizer cables. Just push down gently to get them connected. Again, we then place back on the back rear casing, and again just a little bit of pressure just to clip it all the way back in, so then back into place. What I'd recommend at this point is that you just pop the battery into the phone, and then you can switch it on just to check that the new Digitizer has done as it should do, and that it works before you put the screws back in. So just wait for that to load up.
Please tell me that your phone's working. I've been on your account 2 or 3 times. I spoke to Vodafone. There shouldn't be a problem with your phone.
Okay, so should be back up any second.
Is it still not working? Is it still not working?
Okay, so as you can see, the screen's now on, touchscreen is now working, and we can scroll up and down, left and right. Home button that works at the bottom. Also check these touch keys, that they all work also. There we go. Once that's done, again you can switch the device off. Just hold down the power button, slide down to switch off, and then you can finish the repair by replacing the 8 screws. That's all, so thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it.